back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of words, grammar and all the things language related. Today we will go for one wonderful lecture that is all about connecting words. Yes, ये words साथ में use होते हैं. So चलिए सीखते हैं. Let's not waste time and study it one by one. The first one, either or. It simply means या तो ये या वो. As we know, vacations are going on and we make plans with our family to go for trips. Your friends are asking कि तुम कब जा रहे हो? When are you going? And you reply them, या तो हम Saturday जाएंगे या Sunday जाएंगे. अब इसको English में कैसे बोलेंगे? We will either go on Saturday or Sunday. So in this way we will use this conjunction. Let's see one more example. अब आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि वहाँ कैसे जा सकते हैं, हाउ कैन वी गो देयर, एंड यू आर सेइंग या तो मेट्रो से जा सकते हैं या अपने पर्सनल कन्वेंस से. हाउ विल यू से इन इंग्लिश? वी कैन आइदर गो बाय मेट्रो और बाय आवर पर्सनल कन्वेंस. सेकेंड वन, नाइदर नॉर. आई नो इट साउंड सिमिलर लाइक आइदर और, पर इसका मतलब होता है ना तो ये ना तो वो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, one movie recently got launched and it is kind of historical movie and your friend is fond of watching such movies but you don't like such movies at all and he is asking you, यार क्या चलेगा movie देखने, will you go with me? And you are answering, यार ना तो मुझ में सब्र है ना कोई दिलचस्पी है ऐसी boring movie देखने की. I neither have patience nor interest in watching that boring movie. Let's see one more example. Suppose you went to your relative's house and they are offering you, would you like to have some tea or coffee? And you are saying, ना तो मुझे चाय पसंद है ना कॉफ़ी पसंद है. How will you say in English? I neither like tea nor coffee. Let's see the third one, whether or. अब ये use होता है जब possibility होती है दो. For example, your friend didn't come to school and the teacher is asking where is he, when he will come, and you are saying ma'am मुझे नहीं पता वो आएगा या नहीं. तो how will you guys say in English? I have no idea whether he will come or not. Let's see one more example. अब बचपन में जब मम्मी बोलती थी कि दूध पी लो तो हमें एक और डायलॉग मिलता था सुनने को कि तुम्हें दूध पीना पड़ेगा चाहे तुम्हें पसंद हो या नहीं. अब इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे? You have to drink milk whether you like it or not. Guys, I know these connectors are used in day-to-day life a lot, but ये हमारी टंग पे नहीं होते. So इनके लिए आप practice कीजिए, ये सारे लिखिए and try to make few examples from these so that you can use in your day-to-day life. Fourth one, would rather. हिंदी में बोलते हैं के बजाय या की जगह. Imagine your friend and you made a plan that we will meet on a particular spot and you have reached but he has not come yet and you are saying that मैं ना चला जाता हूँ wait करने की जगह. तो आप कैसे बोलोगे इंग्लिश में? I would rather go than wait. Let's see one more example. Imagine your mom has prepared a green vegetable and you don't like that at all. And you are saying ना इसको खाने की जगह मैं भूखा रह लूँ. इसको कैसे बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में? I would rather starve than eat this. Try to make these sentences of your own. Then you will get it what I am trying to make you understand. Let's see the last one. Not only but also. In Hindi we say ना केवल ये पर ये भी. For example, रतन टाटा ना केवल अच्छे बिजनेसमैन हैं, एक अच्छे समाज सेवी भी हैं. In English we will say Ratan Tata is not only a great businessman but a philanthropist also. Let's see one more example. अगर आपको अपनी फ्रेंड के बारे में बताना है कि वो मुझे मैथ्स तो पढ़ाती है पर वो मुझे गाइड भी बहुत अच्छा करती है. Not only she teaches me but guides me also. I hope guys this lecture will help you a lot in speaking day-to-day English.